Hi trader, Tina here from shortmetina.com, and I'm going to go over in this quick video the top 4 mistakes new traders tend to make. Mistakes are sort of a badge of honor and rite of passage. So if you find that you're guilty of some or all of these mistakes, don't get down on yourself too much. Just ensure that going forward, you do your best to avoid them. Mistake number 1, going all in. I was beyond guilty of this. I remember at some point betting $20,000 on a penny stock when all I had in my account was about $40,000. Crazy. Luckily, I was able to get out with a minor loss on that trade. But don't be stupid like me. As a beginner, there's no need to go all in. In fact, I'd argue you shouldn't bet any more than 20% of your entire portfolio on any one trade. That means if your account is $25,000, you shouldn't bet more than $5,000 on any trade. Think about it. If that trade doesn't work out, and there's a 50% chance it won't, wouldn't you rather lose $5,000 than half of your $25,000 account? So rule number 1, don't go all in. Tip, stay under 20% per trade. Mistake number 2, the dog ate my homework. Clueless, no preparation. Don't just buy a stock because Tina, Jim Cramer, Tim Sykes, Warrior Trading, or whomever says to buy a stock. That's just stupid. Do your homework. Know why you're buying the stock. It's your hard-earned money. So make sure you're doing the necessary homework before getting into a trade. Don't be clueless. Tip, do your homework. Mistake number 3, over trading. As a new trader, you shouldn't be in and out of the market all day, every day. I know day trading is glorified, but fun fact, day traders fail. 99.9999999% of them don't make it. You're swimming against the current. Don't do that. Flow in the direction of money, not against it. So stop over trading. Use the idle time to learn the stock market and use the free time to find the best stocks to trade. Fundamentally and technically, whatever it is, find and trade only the best setups. And once you're in a good trade, the ones that are showing you a profit, hold on to it. So mistake number 2, over trading. Tip, find and trade only the best setups. And finally, to mistake number 4, holding on to losers. Stop holding on to trades that keep you up at nights. You know what I'm talking about. That stock that you've lost half of your investment on, that you're holding on to because you feel you're holding on to your golden ticket. Let's be real. It's a golden ticket that has yet to provide you with any gold. I found that as a trader, not an investor, it's best to let go of those trades that aren't showing you a profit. I found that once you dig yourself into a hole, it's super hard to climb out of that hole. To illustrate this point, let's look at this chart I've created for everyone signed up to our mailing list at shortmetina.com. It's what I call return needed to break even. I keep this chart very visible at my trading station, just in case I think I'm in the wild, wild west. I am not in the wild, wild west. This ain't no shoot 'em up cowboy. I am a disciplined trader, and I know that to make money consistently in the market, I need to be governed by rules. One of those rules are cut my losses quickly. Back to the chart. Your max percent drawdown should be specific to your risk tolerance. However, as a rule of thumb, I wouldn't hold on to a trade that's down by more than 20%. Looking at the chart, if I allow my trades to draw down by more than 20%, I now need to make 25% on that trade to get back up to break even. If I lose 50% on that trade, I now needed to go up by 100% to get back to break even. And if I allow a trade to go about 80% against me, I now needed to go back up by 400% to break even, not to get into profit, just to get back in the black. Not to get into profits, again, just to get back into the black, just to get back to break even, 400%. Do you know how hard it is to get a stock to go up by 400%? Rant over. At any rate, as you can see with this chart, the bigger the drawdown, the more is needed to get back in the black. And if you allow your account to get drawn down by 99%, that's pretty much equivalent to game over. You have to start over. So tip, cut your losses quickly. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, contact us at tina@shortmetina.com or support@shortmetina.com. And if you are not a member, go to shortmetina.com and subscribe.